You're now officially open, IBIE 2010.
My name is Kevin, Douglas Machines Corp. We offer a full line of automated washing and sanitizing equipment for the bakery and food processing industries. We have a variety of models to match almost any need, actually 80 different standard models. We've been in business for 30 years. Bakery is our core business, and one segment of our product line is called pan washers. They're cabinet style pan washers, and today we're going to have Marie Nevin, who specializes in the sale of those items, give you a brief tour of that portion of our product line.
Hi, I'm Marie, and I'd like to show you our Douglas basic line of pan washers. We offer a 10, 20, and 36 sheet pan capacity. They all offer you drop-down door, lift door, or split door configuration. All these three machines basically operate the same. We offer a short, medium, or long wash cycle. That's 4, 6, or 8-minute wash cycle. Each machine has a wash temperature, wash pressure, and rinse temperature gauge. Okay, depending on what your capacity is per day, depends on what size machine and what your space considerations are for your bakery. All our machines come standard with a double filtration system. Insert racks. We can manufacture customized insert racks for your cake pans or your muffin pans that are deep. You can wash items face down. These come out, so you can opt to put in any pails or buckets. On all our pan washers, we have rotating wash arms. These V-jets deliver water at 35 to 45 psi. These wash arms are also very easy to pop out and clean. You don't need any tools. They're all air driven. The smaller machine has the one on the top and one on the bottom. Okay, the 20 pan washer has rotating wash arms on the top and on the bottom. And your 36 pan washer has 3 rotating wash arms on the top and on the bottom. Automating your process is very important. You'll find a big cost savings. You'll save water. All these machines have recirculating wash tanks. You'll also save money on chemical sanitizer because the rinse water is 180 degrees, and that's your hot sanitizing rinse. And most importantly, besides utilities, is manpower. Your employees can be doing more productive tasks. They could load the machine, press the button, go over there, do something else, the buzzer rings, they come back and empty the machine. The machine doesn't call in sick, the machine doesn't take vacations, and the machine doesn't get mad at you for whatever reason and leave. And you've got your dirty pans and you, the owner, are washing sheet pans. Loading is easy. You load your sheet pans in the insert, push in your rack, you close your door, and you hit your desired cycle. Your lift door model, you load your sheet pans, the door is raised, you drop the door down, you shut the door, and start your wash cycle. Okay, on your split door model, you load your sheet pans, you push in, you shut your door, and hit your desired wash cycle. Again, the size machine that you select depends on your capacity and your space considerations. If you have any further questions, please visit our website at dougmac.com.